Mr. Vibe Coding, the person who coined Vibe Coding, they said they never felt more behind as a programmer. Let's find out what exactly is going on. So this article brought to us by Business Insider through Yahoo Tech says the guy who coined Vibe Coding is now Vibe Coding now says he's never felt more behind as a programmer. OpenAI alumni Andrej Karpathy wrote on X that he's struggling to take full advantage of new programming tools. Karpathy, who coined the term vibe coding, wrote that he's never felt this behind as a programmer. He wrote that it feels like a powerful alien tool was handed around with no manual. Carpathy has long been ahead. He was ahead of the AI boom, having worked as a founding member of OpenAI in 2015, long before competitors like Anthropic and xAI emerged. He also got into self-driving vehicles early, steering Tesla's autopilot efforts as its head of AI. Now, he says, I've never felt this much behind as a programmer. In an X post on Friday, Carpathy wrote that the industry was being dramatically refactored. If you guys know about software development, you know he's a developer. He said it's being dramatically refactored, not changed, not evolving, not updated, but refactored as individual programmers contribute fewer and fewer codes of line. I have a sense that I could be 10x more powerful if I just properly string together what has become available over the last year-ish. He wrote, a failure to claim the boost feels decidedly like skill issue. A failure to claim the boost feels decidedly like skill issue. All right, this says AI has radically transformed the software engineering industry, introducing code editors like Cursor, Claude Code, CodeEx. In addition, we have Amazon Kiro. We have the Google's anti-gravity and all these coming out. All of them, and people can just make them like hotcakes, right? Says along with a slew of agentic software development tools. Business Insider's Amanda Hoover called 2025 the year coding changed forever. Carpathy was a key player in the change. In February, he coined the term vibe coding. To vibe code, one prompts AI to generate lines of code. It gets its name because developers fully give into the vibes, Carpathy wrote in his original post. The Collins Dictionary named vibe coding the word of the year. Still, Carpathy wrote that it's like a powerful alien tool was handed out without a manual. Everyone has to figure out how to hold it and operate it while the resulting magnitude 9 earthquake is rocking the profession. I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying it. In the comments, another one of the biggest names in vibe coding agreed. Boris Cherny, I never heard of him. He created Claude Code for Anthropic, now one of the most popular AI tools among developers. It is. Cherny wrote that he felt that way because most weeks and he says he felt that way most weeks and that he sometimes finds himself approaching a problem manually, not yet realizing that AI can do it faster. New graduates and early career coders may fare best in this new environment, Cherny wrote, because they don't assume what AI can and cannot do. He said, we can do it all. We can do it all. It takes significant mental work to readjust to what the model can do every month or two, because those models, they are constantly updating. Just the other day, I upgraded the models on I updated from OpenAI GPT 4.0 mini to GPT 5 nano, and it is making significant improvements on my titles, on my descriptions, on my thumbnails. It is amazing, right? Yes. Responding to Cherny, Carpathy wrote that he had a similar experience. He analogized. Oh my God, that was a tough one for me. He analogized the new tools to a weapon, one that sometimes shoots pellets or misfires, highlighting the work in progress nature of AI, which is, we do the same thing as well, right? Other times though, the tool works wonders Once in a while, when you hold it just right, a powerful beam of laser erupts and melts your problem. Tell us, how have you been impacted by Vive Coding below? So I have been impacted in a very, very positive way. I am able to do so much more with so much less, and it is absolutely exciting. So many apps in a short amount of time. Very, very powerful and amazing apps as well, right? You guys also let me know, how has these AI tools, how has, maybe you're an anti-gravity person, maybe you're a cursor person, maybe you're a Cloud Code, maybe you're a windsurf, whatever it is, maybe you use Kilo Code, whatever it is that you use, let me know how it has impacted you. I know that there are a lot of developers and engineers, they are very, very weary and quite frightful of AI, but how has it helped you? Has it made you more productive or less productive? Let me know, all right?
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burnout creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Battles on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I meant to turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Muscle feeling heavy, motivation and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm drinking and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind, so I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sitting in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, but hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my failure is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a risk, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace in front of car. Keep the haters locked out, standing in the yard while I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack, but I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Work didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planting the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Drowning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me lose. My drive is bigger, be ahead, be bigger than hate. Back, better work, 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 better work. Let's get it. Okay.